Hi guys, and welcome back to the IT Tech Solutions channel. Today what I'd like to share with you is how to fix the Windows Photo Viewer application. So if you're opening your photos and you see a blank black color page come up or an error message come up, then this solution is almost guaranteed to work for you. So please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload a lot of IT videos and how to fix issues with your PC. So consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. For those of you who are not sure how to subscribe, you should be able to see the subscribe button on the bottom of the screen when you've got it on 3/4 screen. If not, you can go to the last 20 seconds to this video and you can click on the circular button and you will be able to subscribe using that method. Now, without further ado, let me get into it. So I'm going to click on the Windows button or the Start button and then click on Settings and then click on Applications or Apps, and then that's going to bring up your apps and features options, and this is all of the stuff which you have installed on your PC. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and search this list, and I'm going to search for photos. Alright, so that's narrowed down to Microsoft Photos. So you left click and then you click on Advanced Options. Alright, so these are the three possible solutions which can help you fix your Windows Photo application. So the first thing is to terminate. So if you have any processes in the background which is photos based and you can't close it, then this terminate button will actually help you close it. The other thing you can do is just to reset it. So if it's not working right, then it'll just do a small repair. So this repair area just repairs the install. It will not affect any data, so you just click on repair. And then once it is repaired, this circular spinning wheel will actually turn into a tick, just like that. And if that doesn't work, then what you can do is you can reset this application, and this is equivalent to just resetting an application just like you do on your phone. So you click on reset, and what this will do is it'll default it to the factory settings of the Photos application, and you can see that that has been done as well. So if your photos were not opening prior to this, now you can close this, and as an example, you can open your photos and it should eventually come up, and there you go. You can see that I have a photo here. So that is how you can fix the photo application. If this did not work for you, then please comment down below and I'll answer your questions. And please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And don't forget to share this with your friends. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.